Hello everyone, this is Joe from Second Shot Survival again, and today we're doing an unboxing of the Night Fox Prowl digital night vision monocular. Okay, here we go. Specifications here on the box. And it comes with a 2-year warranty. Okay, here we go. Do. A good box. Okay, what's in the box? We got a carrying case. Let me set that over there. Pretty good robust case. Okay, what's in the box? Or what's in the case? Here we go. Alright, here we go. This right here is a GoPro style, almost like a skull crusher. You can actually mount it on here with all this stuff in here. So, and this is elastic, plus also you can adjust it to your head size on both sides, and also it has an adjustment here on top as well. Tell you what, this is probably a lot better than those skull crushers in the military that came with the PVS 7s. Alright, here's a little card. Got different languages for the instruction manual. Basically goes over everything, like what came with it and all that stuff. It tells you how to troubleshoot it. So, alright, here's a nice little lanyard you can put on there. Yeah, like if you're just not using it as a head mounted, you can put it on here and use it so it won't fall and hit the ground. Also, here is the cable to charge it with, and it is a USB-C charger as well. Okay, here's a little bag of goodies that we got with this. This has everything in there that you need, like all your attachments and stuff like that. This here is for here. All you do is unscrew that, slide that in, and then you can adjust that with this. Put this on here, and you can adjust how far away you want it from your face. Here's your dovetail mount. And your 2 screws to go with it to hold it in. And here we go. here's where that rail mounts, right here. That way for your left eye, and that way for your right eye. And then you just go like that with it if you want. Or you can hold it handheld with, or you can actually put this on a tripod, or a mini tripod right here. Okay, here we got your two different night vision. Here's a sacrificial lens. And right here, got your USB-C. Just goes right in here. Plug this into your wall adapter or computer or whatever, and you can do it like that. Also, here is a micro USB card that came with it. And also this light right here will also let you know that it's charging. And then right here, if you can see that, that's your reset. If it freezes, you press the reset and it will be good to go. Okay, battery compartments right here. You take Phillips head screw right here, unscrew that, it'll come off, and then let's see how this goes. Oh boy, that's hard to pull. Oh, whew, came out in one piece. Okay, and then you got your controls up here. Okay, you got your magnification menu, screen brightness and power on. You can record on here as well and take pictures, or I think. Anyhow, in the menu mode, you can move up and down. Okay, and then say you want to hit the firmware, see what firmware it is. You move that to the firmware, and then once you're on highlighted the firmware, you press the OK button, and you can go into the settings and see which firmware you have, or if you need to update your firmware, and so forth. And then this is how you change your IRs too. Oh, sorry. Okay, here we go. Okay, you got your different IR settings here too. Okay. So, anyhow, let's power this on and see what it's like. And also it came with an eye cup here too. Also, you can focus your diopter, and then also this is your main adjustment too. All right, here we go. Go in here to the menu. All right, let's see what firmware we got here. Nope, I need to update this. So I think the new firmware is like 1.28.0. So I'll have to do that. But here's a brief overview of what I was talking about. The OK button. You can actually go do a factory reset if you need to. Frame rate 30 and 60. You can do the date and time and flicker and all that stuff. And I believe the flicker is for like if you're looking at something and the light isn't going at the same flicker rate or cycle as this, you can try to match it up with that. You can put the time, date, power save, format as auto hide. Got your IR settings. Also here, this has a black and black. Oh, come on, Joe. This has a black and white and the green setting. Okay. Also with the IR settings, you can choose between if you want to run a 940 or the 850, or have both of them. You can use not in conjunction, but you have that capability. If you want more power, then you can definitely go with that. So, okay. Now you can also auto hide the icons on the display as well. So press enter to go back out. Change the brightness. Oh, wait a minute here. Oh, that's power. Nope. Okay, here we go. Sorry about the light ring. I'm trying. Okay. So far, it looks pretty good.